What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet for teachers. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Meet, or you can simply type in meet.google.com. So you will be redirected to the landing page of Google Meet. And after coming here, make sure to link your Google Meet with your email. And after linking your Google Meet with your email, you can start a new meeting or you can enter a code. And then here are some other multiple options. Now, if you want to create an instant meeting, click on this new meeting icon. After clicking, you have the option of start an instant meeting. By clicking on this, you can start an instant meeting for the students. And if you want to create a meeting for later, you can click on this and then you can create a meeting for later. Or if you want to schedule a meeting in the Google Calendar, you can click this option, schedule in Google Calendar. So you can schedule your meeting in Google Calendar. Now, if you want to create a meeting for later, I'll click on this to create a meeting for later. And after that, this small tab will come pop up and it will show you the group's link. Just simply copy the link and then send to everyone that you want to join the Google meeting. And if you want to start an instant meeting, just simply click on start an instant meeting. And as you can see, I have started an instant meeting. So this is the meeting. As you can see, it has already started. And then on the left side, here is the link for this meeting. Just simply copy it and send it to the members that you want to join in the meeting too. Now from here, you can share your screen. You can send a reaction. You can turn on your captions. You can raise hand from here. And when you click on more options, here are some more options for you to customize your Google Meet. When you click on change layout, you can change the layout from these four options and then you can adjust the size of this layout. And after clicking on full screen, the meeting will be on full screen mode. And when you open on picture in picture, the meeting will be on picture in picture. And when you click on background and effects, you can change your background and the effects on your face. So let's say if you don't have a great background, you can choose from these backgrounds like professional, cozy home, nature, and many more. When you click on filters, here are some multiple filters that you can choose from. And when you click on appearance, you can adjust some appearance setting according to your requirements. So this is how you can use Google Meet, and this was the tutorial only for the teachers. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.